Who doesn't love free tools, especially when they can save your time and help you stay on top of your network traffic, right? Whether you're a curious tech enthusiast, a network admin, or someone simply looking to level up your IT skills, I've got 5 amazing ways to monitor your network traffic like a pro. And yep, they won't cost you a penny. Stick around, because we'll count down from 5 to 1, and the first one might just blow your mind. Trust me, you're gonna want to know these. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right in. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 5. Built-in OS tools. Let's start strong with tools you probably already have and didn't even know about. Built-in tools like Windows Resource Monitor and macOS's Network Utility are super underrated. Worried about app activities or suspicious data usage? These tools give you a quick and simple overview of things like bandwidth consumption, network activity, and which processes are hogging your internet. To access it on Windows, type Resource Monitor in the search bar, head over to the Network tab, and voila! Mac users, the Network Utility tool is here to help you trace and ping networks in seconds. They're not fancy, but they're incredibly effective for lightweight monitoring. Plus, you can use them instantly without downloading a thing. Neat, right? Number 4. GlassWire. Next up, GlassWire. This one's perfect for those of you who appreciate a sleek, user-friendly interface. GlassWire is a free tool that not only monitors your bandwidth usage, but also provides real-time alerts if any unusual activity is taking place. Imagine this scenario. An unknown device suddenly starts using your network. GlassWire? It'll notify you like a trusty watchdog. Its visual graphs are a highlight, showing you which apps and devices are communicating with external servers. Not to mention, it's perfect for ensuring you stay within internet data limits if you're on a capped plan. Want more advanced features? There's a premium option for that, but its free version is honestly more than enough for personal use. Clean, reliable, practical. If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. Number 3. Wireshark. Alright folks, it's time to turn it up a notch. Meet Wireshark, arguably one of the most powerful open source packet analyzers out there. Now, for anyone scratching their head wondering, what is packet analyzing? Zrania, here's the short and sweet explanation. Wireshark lets you capture and examine data packets traveling through your network. It provides next-level insights into what's really happening beneath the surface. Need to troubleshoot connectivity problems or detect suspicious activity? This tool has you covered. While it's definitely more advanced and can look intimidating at first, don't worry. Tons of tutorials can help you get started. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Pro tip, always look for trusted sources when downloading Wireshark to avoid bogus links. Number 2. Open source firewalls. Coming in at number 2 are open source firewalls like pfSense and OPNsense. I know what you're thinking, firewalls, isn't that basic security stuff? Yes, but hear me out. These tools are ideal for those running small networks or enthusiastic about deeper monitoring. They allow you to not only manage network access, but also track traffic patterns in incredible detail. Want to see who's connected to your network and how much data they're using? These firewalls are up for the job. Plus, they offer tons of plugins that help you customize your monitoring experience to meet specific needs. A little bit of setup effort goes a long way here, and you'll feel like a true network ninja once it's up and running. Number 1. Netstat command. And finally, we arrive at the top spot. Surprisingly, it's an old-school gem that's often overlooked, the netstat command. Yep, this built-in command line tool is not only free but super straightforward to use if you're working on Windows, macOS or Linux. Just pop open your terminal or command prompt and type netstat. Boom! You'll get a detailed list of active TCP and UDP connections, along with their states and IP addresses. It's a go-to for quickly spotting unauthorized connections or measuring active usage. And the best part, you can use it in under 5 minutes without having to install anything extra. Simple, efficient, and unbelievably effective. So there you have it, 5 powerful, free tools to monitor your network traffic, whether you're handling personal internet troubleshooting or managing a larger network. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these tools? Or maybe you've got a personal favorite we didn't mention. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy monitoring.